Welcome back to the community, everybody, and thank you all for being part of it. And I didn't get to wear this yet in the actual one of my videos. If anybody's interested in the new shirt, just follow the link going up. You can get stickers and t-shirts. I'm really proud of this one. Heather did a nice job on it. So if you're interested and help support the channel, check it out. Okay, today we have the German invasion, and it is in Shelby, North Carolina. This was hosted by Eastcoast VW in Shelby, North Carolina, and it's called the German invasion. Darren Wall, one of our community club members of Slades, was nice enough to take out time at the show and take photos. What a great guy and a great club member. We got to meet him at the picnic in person finally, Slades Picnic, and that'll be coming up next July. Here's the info for it. And I hope y'all can make it. There's camping available, hotel, motel, you name it. Why am I not on a bodywork video? Well, this is why. So this is the garage. Everything is a disaster. That's why I couldn't do bodywork this week. There is stuff everywhere. But it's okay. I had to do this to the ceiling. I still got to mask off the seams, and it'll hold the heat in. So that, see, it's bad. That way I can get some heat rolling in here because it went down to 34 last night, and it looks like a disaster. So that's what I'm dealing with. And that's why there was a different type of video this week. But I'm sure you understand. Yeah, the garage is a disaster. That's why. I had the foam board, or whatever you call it, insulation board, the ceiling in here because winter's coming. And I have a vented roof, so all the heat goes up and out. So this week you're watching this, and then Tuesday I'm doing a box opening video of a bunch of items that arrived, and then Friday body work, so on, and Sunday night live chat. Okay, let's watch the video and check out all the cool cars at this show. I'll be right back. That was awesome. Thank you so much, Darren, for taking out your time of the day to do that and getting all those photos over to me. I know it was not easy. I really, really enjoyed watching it, and I'm sure everyone else did too. If you get a chance, check out V8 Nate. A friend of mine has a great channel. He has a Herbie. He does pay attention to detail. Check it out. You'll like his Herbie. And he also has a cool truck, and he also does small block Chevy. So check it out. You won't be sorry. Okay, I'll see you Sunday night live chat at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. I think Heather will be in this week. Last week she had some company and wasn't feeling real well. So we'll see you Sunday night. I hope everybody has a great weekend. I hope our Southeastern friends are doing better. I really feel bad. That hurricane, everybody took a beating down there. So positive vibes to everybody. I'll see you soon.